How to schedule a post on YouTube. Let's see how it's done in this video. First, sign in to your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, go to the top of the page and click the Create button. From the drop-down menu, click Create Post. When creating a new post, start by entering your post text in this section. You can also add a link if you'd like. For this example, I'll add a link to my YouTube channel to help promote it. YouTube gives you several types of posts to choose from. You can create a text post, share an image, create a poll, or even make a quiz. In this video, I'll be creating an image post. Once your post is ready, the next step is to schedule it. To do that, click the small V-shaped arrow, also known as the More Options button. Then click on Schedule Post. This will open the scheduling options. From here, you can choose the date, select the time, and set the correct time zone for your post. When everything looks good, click the Schedule button. And that's it. Your post has now been scheduled and will be published automatically at the date and time you selected. If you'd like to view your scheduled posts, you can find them under the Scheduled section. They will stay there until they are published and become visible to your audience. And that's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.